来看荷兰印度派的大师梵谷，伊捌伫19世纪尾期伫法国南部普罗旺斯住一站，有伊真侪捌日头绘画是真出名。伊当地有一个好朋友鲁林，梵谷嘛为伊甲伊厝邻的人画真侪捌画。最近荷兰的梵谷博物馆就头家来展出鲁林家族的画像。
老大喙鬚穿着蓝色、纽啊是金色的邮政制服。这幅图内面的这个查甫人鲁林，就是梵谷1888年到1889年，住伫法国南部普罗旺斯雅尔地区时阵的好朋友，也是伊重要的支持者。荷兰梵谷博物馆最近有鲁林家族特展，和梵谷甲鲁林伫100多年了，搁再相见。 博物馆发现，鲁林伫咧岛内面坐迄个椅啊，本来就收藏伫咧馆内，这边也特别提出展览。
Well, as it turns out, we had this chair in our collection, but we have never shown it before. And it just shows you when you start to work on a topic, in this case, the Roulin family, and the portrait, all kinds of things you might never have thought about before come up. And it's really exciting to rediscover, as it were, your own collection.
梵谷迄当阵替鲁林翁仔某也个因的囡仔，总共画2600图，伊用高档的笔触加强烈的色彩，画出鲁林伊的职业身份加定调的个性。因有诗意的艺术语言展现鲁林因某的母性光辉，一个因也个是幼眼的查某囝纯真的面貌，感受家庭的温暖。
This is a very important family for him. They are good friends of his, and they take care of him when he is in a difficult period of his life. The friendship starts probably at the local cafe where Roulin is often to be found, and Vincent as well. And he asked him if he would be willing to sit as a model for a portrait, and that's how it really starts.
因为梵谷伫咧雅尔时期所住黄色的厝，这边特点也用顶比例大细重新展现，互大家感受梵谷迄当阵画图的情形。伫同一个时期，梵谷也佫画出日头花甲青叶这款经典的作品。有人认为这段期间是梵谷伊作品的巅峰时期。这项鲁林家族特展，互大家看到梵谷人性的温度。公司新闻詹慧敏编辑。